Everyone, this video will show you how to configure the automatic install software that called AnyDesk, and this is the script to install it and uninstall it. I have one PC that called hostname Windows 10.0.0.1, and I already have the software called AnyDesk in my PC in dry C software and AnyDesk. And I would like to command group policy to install it for me using batch file. Okay, this is the script to install. So let's try to install first, and after that we can apply script to uninstall. We need to copy that script to the new notepad and convert to batch file to input to the group policy in Active Directory. And I already moved my PC to the OU workstation that having the script, having the group policy. Okay, we go to the group policy and go to the OU that we want to apply and create new group policy called install AnyDesk. Okay, and then we go to edit that group policy, go to computer configuration policy, Windows setting, and click on script startup or shutdown. Okay, so we would like to apply on startup, mean that when the PC start up it will automatically run the batch file. Okay, and double click and we will see nothing, so we need to add one. Right now I don't have, so I need to create one batch file. I rename install AnyDesk and I pass the script. Okay, this script to go to install. And we need to define the path that software stay. But this is not correct due to our script is not extension batch file, so we need to go to the path and then we rename it to from GHG to batch file. Let me go to rename. Okay, this is the text file and we make it to the batch file. Go to startup again and add route to the file batch file that we created. Okay, right now I put it already, so let's see, it is in the OU workstation. Okay, so now we go to the PC and go to the control panel to see the program and feature that AnyDesk already installed on our jet. We need to go to the CMD to apply the group policy. We can type the GP update/force to force the group policy from the actual directory to the default is 30 minutes. If we want it faster, we need to type the GP update/force. Okay. After that, we need to restart the PC to take effect. Okay, now the PC was restarted. We log into that PC. Okay, now the PC will restart and we already log in. So let's see the software install or not yet. To install. We refresh it. Okay, so right now we see the AnyDesk was appear on the desktop icon and the software will install on the control panel. So mean that the script we apply was successfully. Okay. Right now the AnyDesk installed, so I would like to show you one more how to uninstall it by the group policy also, and this is the script that we will apply. Okay. We go to the group policy again to disable link install, and we need to create one more group policy that called uninstall AnyDesk. Okay, and we need to edit it and go to the SAM, go to computer configuration policy, Windows settings, script startup or shutdown, and we need to show file. We create one batch file to apply, and I need to create one text file called uninstall AnyDesk and rename from TXT to batch file. Okay, and right click and edit and pass the script that we want to uninstall. This script is easy, and this script to access to dry C program file etc AnyDesk and .ee and silent demo, and below are the demo directory from appdata, C program file and programdata. It will clear all the folder. Save it. Go to group policy again and add browse to the script that we already created. Click OK, apply. Okay, and we go to the PC again to GP update force to retrieve the new policy that Active Directory was created. Okay, now successfully. And one more thing, if we want to see the group policy were applied on that PC, we can go to CMD and type run and by soft.exe to see this PC were applied new group policy from OD or not yet. After we type, we can go to the same as the Active Directory and we go to Windows setting and script startup. So we see the uninstall anydesk path file. This is the new policy that we just applied. So mean that this PC already get the group policy from Activity. So to take effect, we need to restart this PC. Okay, right now I go to control panel to see anydesk. Okay, and now we need to restart it to take effect. Right now the PC was restarted and we log in. Now PC was logged in by user admin and we need to monitor it to see anydesk and install it by automatic from group policy. So let's refresh it. Please wait a moment. Okay, right now we see the anydesk icon was disappear from the icon from the desktop, and in the program file and feature we need to refresh. Okay, right now we see the anydesk were uninstalled. It means that the group policy is applied. I will copy this script into my description and you can check it. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more. If you have any question, you can contact me or comment. I will respond back. Thank you.